Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, and this is amazing chapter. Yes. So whatever you call it, okay. So this is training models. We are going to train the models, but in a different and interesting way. Okay. So we'll be also learning something that is called the mathematics. Yeah, maybe you get some fear from mathematics, but don't worry. I also fear from mathematics, and I have learned it, and I'm going to make it in a I am going to just explain to you in a very much efficient and simplest manner. Okay, so simplest manner. Okay, you'll be just understanding the things that are very much important, and I'll be explaining from each and every part. Okay, not to worry. Let's go on the chapter and content that what's going on. So as we are here and we have learned in the previous videos that how to actually apply the algorithms. Like we have applied linear regression, logistic regression, different type of classifiers we have made like digit classifier, multiple level classifiers. We have done all these things. If you haven't watched the videos previous, then I will be suggesting you that watch the previous videos. There will be playlist link in the description. Just go and do that. And if you are starting from this, then you can start, of course. Not to worry. No, you know what we are doing. We are just applying the things. We are not knowing that what's going on in the back end, what's going in the behind the scenes. So I hope that you all have seen the BTS, not BTS, BTS, not that band BTS. It's like behind the scenes. So many times behind the scenes seems very interesting because it says a lot about that how the things are made. So if you are that person who want to explore the things, like how things are actually working, so this video is going to be really amazing for you. And we are in this chapter, we are going to start by looking at the linear regression form model, one of the simplest model, and we'll be discuss two different ways to train it. Okay, so we'll be seeing the two different ways. Fine. Now, using a closed form equation that directly computes the model parameters, a closed form equation that directly computes the model parameters, and using an iterative, we are just going to do the iterative optimization. What is the meaning of iterative optimization? It's a long word, guys. Not to worry, I'm here. What the meaning of the iterative? Okay, so I'm just going to explain this. I hope it's visible now, and let's go. So, what the meaning of iterative? Iterative just means that it means step one, step two, step three. It's like it's like uh, going on the stairs one by one by one. Okay, so it's something like that. Okay, we'll be going like this. So it's the iterative process. Iterative. So what it is saying that it will actually find. Okay, it will what it is actually saying that just hold on. Oh, oh, that's clear. Yeah. So what it is saying iterative optimization. So what it will be doing that it will be optimized iteratively. So first method will be using it will be a direct optimization. Okay, it will be just compute the model parameters. But second method is like we'll be doing it one, two, three times, something like that. So I just want to show you this. Okay, I just want to show you this. You can see here, okay, that's fine. So here it is. I have actually generated the video and it's gradient descent. You can see here, like from the beginning, I'm just going to make it super slow. Okay, just you can see here, it is just coming the iteratively. You can see here. Just see this. Just see this. So it's not like that it is just getting here. No, it's going here, 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 and then it's going to the converge. So that is actually the SGD. Okay, like GD. Like what is the GD? Not it's not a group discussion. It is the gradient descent. Okay. These two steps we'll be seeing, and we'll be also look at the polynomial regression, more complex model. So we'll be seeing all these things. Not to worry about that. Okay. If I'm here, then no need to worry. Okay. And finally, we'll examine two more models that is commonly used for the classification task. That is the logistic regression, softmax regression. We'll be seeing that. Okay, that what that thing is. So this was the introduction, guys. That what we are going to learn in this whole series. Because we'll be seeing in the chapter 4 a lot of things, but let's see a quick review that we'll be seeing the linear regression, then gradient descent, then polynomial regression, learning curves, regularized linear models, then logistic regression, and exercise. Okay, so we'll be seeing that, and I hope you are excited for this new chapter, and we'll be learning a lot of things, and in a very efficient manner. Okay, and yeah, meet you in the next video with a new video on the media negation, and keep learning the things after like on the Monday. Yeah, tomorrow is the Monday. Tomorrow the video will be come, and then we'll be talking on the Wednesday, I think. Yeah. So yeah, let's meet you there. And if you like this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe this channel for more updates. Yes, for learning about the ML and AI. So subscribe this channel and meet you in the next video, guys.